The latest iPad comes with a Liquid Retina display. It is 10.9 inches in size and LED backlit with IPS technology. It comes at a resolution of 2360 by 1640 at 264 pixels per inch, 500 nits of maximum brightness. It comes in blue, pink, yellow, and silver color variants. The 10th gen iPad has the A14 Bionic chip with a 6-core CPU, 4-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. The interesting part is that the iPad comes with a 12MP landscape front camera for the ease of video calling and a 12MP rear snapper. There's support for center stage, 4K videos, slow motion videos, and more camera capabilities. The new iPad supports Wi-Fi 6 and 5G for wireless connectivity, and has a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. The iPad supports Apple's new Magic Keyboard Folio, which has full-size keys of 1mm travel and trackpad with support for multi-touch gestures. The keyboard attaches with the iPad through smart connectors. It comes with an adjustable back cover that attaches magnetically to the iPad. New features in Messages allow users to edit or unsend recently sent messages, recover recently deleted messages, and mark conversations as unread so they can come back to them later. Live Text uses on-device intelligence to recognize text in images across the system, and the feature now comes to video, making text completely interactive in paused video frames. Wi-Fi models of the new iPad are available with a starting price of $449. The new iPad, in 64GB and 256GB configurations.